Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. US-based Airlines Spirit is increasing service to Jamaica with direct non-stop flights between Connecticut and Montego Bay. The service will begin on December 15 this year and operate 4 times weekly. Senior strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Seabright, says the new flight will boost the number of gateways to Jamaica. And the Bank of Jamaica BOJ says it will be accepting paper £20 and £50 notes even after the cutoff date set by the Bank of England BOE. Effective September 30, the paper notes will be removed as legal tender by the English Central Bank. They are being replaced by polymer notes of the same denomination, which are already in circulation. The BOJ says the paper notes will be accepted until the Bank of England will no longer accept repatriated notes. The date has not yet been announced. Now, local banks may, however, set their own deadlines for redemption of these notes. Scotiabank says Friday, September 16 is the last day it will accept the paper £20 and £50 notes. Economic activity in the real estate industry grew by 1.5% in 2021, bringing total growth up by 2%, or that's 0.2%, or 2 percentage points. The industry's share of gross domestic product declined by a 0.3 percentage point to 11.1%. This reflects a low base in 2020 when the economy saw the reels of COVID-19. Now, the industry's growth resulted from expansions in real estate business activities and rental of machinery linked to the improvement in the construction industry. And let's head to the foreign currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.82. $116.20 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, while the pound is being sold for $176.20 and is costing an average $154.15 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 720 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 72 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living Jamaica, JMMB Group 5.75% US dollar shares, Portland JSX 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares, and Mayberry Investments. While on the losing side were Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, Stanley Motor, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Honeybun. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.